Hello, I'm Jimmy from Mosehat Games, and this week I've added a very important menu to Logic World. It's this menu. So these are all of my saved sandboxes. Each sandbox has a title and a description, as you can see, both of which are super easily editable just by clicking on the text and typing. You can organize your sandboxes into categories like this by using the tag system. So I can add a tag down here, like so. And tags can be nested, obviously, by putting like a dot in the tag name. And also, very coolly, the sandboxes can be in multiple tags at once, so it's not limited to just being in one category, as it would be with kind of a folder type system. So also new this week, we have a menu for creating a new sandbox. Using the same metadata editor as before, we can give it a title and a description. And we can give it a tag as well. What I'm most excited about, though, is that you can also choose the world type for your sandbox. And some world types, such as Gridlands, have some world options. We have a little editor here that lets us change the size of the grid, change the colors used in the grid. This is a cool scheme. We can have two colors, or we can just be one color. And we can have squares, or we can have rectangles, so different sizes for the different axes. All right, I feel good about this. So if we press Create Sandbox, and there we are. You can see we have a brand new world to play in, and the grid style that I chose when I created it is spread out before me into infinity, ready to be built on. The other world type right now is Grasslands. This is an infinite plane of grassy goodness for you to build in. And unlike Gridlands, in Grasslands, you are not locked to a grid, so you can place things at like non-right angles, which I think is super nifty. Boom, look at that. I'll probably be adding a few more world types before release, so stay tuned for videos about those. I also want to open up world types to the modding system so you can design your own spaces to play in and share them with others. Now, to be honest with you, I'm not terribly jazzed about the design of these menus. Something about the layout doesn't feel quite right to me, so if you have a suggestion on where I could move a button or how I could resize a menu element, please let me know. I'd love to hear it.